The heart-cut diamond is a romantic and symbolic shape, often chosen for engagement rings and special occasions. It combines the brilliance of a round cut with a unique heart-shaped silhouette, making it a perfect representation of love and affection. The heart cut features a rounded top with a pronounced V-shaped bottom, giving it its distinctive heart shape. What makes the heart cut unique is its ability to express emotion and sentiment in a way that no other diamond shape can. The cut's delicate shape and sparkling facets create a soft yet vibrant light display, making it a truly eye-catching stone. The heart shape also allows for a wide range of customization in settings, from classic solitaires to intricate vintage designs. The heart cut diamond is a perfect choice for those who want a diamond with deep emotional significance. Its romantic shape and brilliant sparkle make it a standout choice for engagement rings, necklaces, and earrings, offering a timeless symbol of love that's both unique and unforgettable. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.